There has been an agreement between myself and the lawyers for the Commission of Inquiry and the government. Those lawyers being Godfrey Smith and his associate at Marine Parade Chambers, and Douglas Sanders and Ileana Swift from Court Nicoy. That agreement is that the government, the defendants, the Commission of Inquiry and the Attorney General concede that Hugo Patt's natural justice rights were breached in that the Commission failed to give him what is known as a summon letter, something telling him, look, you are being summoned to appear before us. There is material that we have in our possession that might expose you to criticism when we publish our findings. Know that and be warned, be aware that in consequence you can address this material that we're at the same time sending to you. You can bring a lawyer. Your lawyer will be entitled to remain throughout the hearings, even after your particular testimony is done, and will be entitled to cross-examine anybody else that gives evidence with respect to anything that witness might say against you. There was a complete failure to do that. That constituted a breach of Hugo Patt's natural justice rights. That has been conceded by the government, by the Attorney General, and by the Commission. They've also conceded that his constitutional right, which is a couple of tiers above his natural justice rights, that his constitutional right to equal protection under law has been breached. They, in consequence of the concessions, have agreed to take out of the Commission's report all the references to Hugo Patt that make any criticism, that make any recommendations as to sending this to the DPP, as to the National Assembly and his seat perhaps being in jeopardy. All that, by agreement, will be stricken from the publication or from the report that has been published by the Commission.